Ointment and the betadine
A determined and good special educator can ensure that students with special needs can achieve excellence irrespective of their disabilities. Most importantly, the most fulfilling part of being a special education teacher is that when you are able to make a lasting impression on your student. Music acts like a magic key to which the most tightly closed hearts open up.
This is our music room. Every single class having a single period, they used to come to learn some songs and some musical instrument. As we can see here, we have in the Indian category 2 pieces of tabla and 1 set of harmonium. In the percussion category, we have congo. Now here we have 4 sets of synthesizer. We have 1 drum kit and 1 electric guitar. Students come and they sit and we write songs on blackboard. We write the lyrics, they used to copy and we practice in the class. We have some competitions, school choir, nativity play and other many programs. Thank you.
Activity rooms are designed to make learning more fun and exciting. Students love this room as it is used as a dancing room and also whenever they have certain activities in the school. The school has CCTV coverage in the campus, which is also surveyed by the principal in her office.
Good morning, this is our biology lab, and in this lab 16 students can do practical at a time, and in this lab we have 8 tables and each table has seating of 2 students, so students can do their practical easily. This is a practical table. Let me introduce the apparatus of this table. This is a staining tray and this is a watch glass. This is a funnel, beaker, conical flask, scissor, forceps, washing bottle, spirit lamp, wire gauge. This is a tripod stand and this is a test tube holder, dissection tray and dissection box, and this is a microscope. All are charts of better understanding of students, evolution of man, understanding DNA, and next is Plasmodium vivax. Here as you can see, this is a sink for tap for running water. In this sink you can wash your apparatus. Let's move forward for this rack. In this rack containing different life cycle of different insects, frog, housefly, cockroach, honeybee, mosquito and silk moth. Next we forward for other rack. We have many different specimen of botany. Table. On this table we have different bone of human, and this is a teacher's table. In this table we have two microscope, staining microscope and compound microscope, and this is our stock register. In this register we maintain the stock of different things of this lab. So one more rack. In this rack we keep our excess items of in this lab, like test tube, brush, wire gauge, washing bottle, test tubes, litmus paper, pH paper, cover slips and distilled water.
Good afternoon. This is the physics lab. I am Shireen and I'll be telling you about the physics lab. As you can see, the lab is well equipped, proper ventilated and spacious enough to manage 24 to 25 students at a time. Now I'll be telling you about the equipments in the physics lab. This is logic gate trainer. This is transistor characteristic apparatus. Here this is Ohm's law apparatus, and again the logic gate trainer. And here this is battery eliminator. This is used to convert the source to the voltage required. Again battery eliminator. This is physical balance, and this is the weight box required in physical balance. Now this is PN junction diode. Then moving forward to the next table, this is known as the traveling microscope, and this is used to find out the refractive index. Here this is meter bridge, used to find out the resistance of any unknown wire. Then this is the optical bench. This is used during the practicals related to optics. This is used to find out the focal length of any concave mirror. This is used during the formation of images. And here, as you can see, we have so many charts also. These charts help the students for the better understanding. Now this is a stop clock. Then we have law of parallelogram apparatus also. This is used to find out the mass and relative density of any body. Now here we have potentiometer. We have resistance box to compare the resistance. We have both 6 inches as well as 8 inches rested also in the lab. We have meter scale. We have compass needle. Then we have Daniell cells also. We have screw gauge. We have vernier caliper to find out the thinness of any wire. We have spirometer, glass slab, prism, and both the concave and the convex lenses also. And here we have pendulum, we have magnets, and the last, and this is Young modular. This is used to find out the stiffness of any body. Now again the charts. Here we have pendulum, magnets, and this is the shelf. It is used to keep all the excess materials, all the excess equipments of the lab. We have cell box, we have 2 plug key, we have 1 plug key, we have prism, we have all the concave lens and convex lenses here. Then this is the physics stock register. In this, we used to maintain all the stock of the material of all the equipments that are here in the physics lab. Thank you.
लता मंगेशकर के बारे में आपको मैं बता रही हूँ। लता मंगेशकर एक बहुत अच्छी गायिका है जिनका जन्म इंदौर में 28 सितंबर को हुआ था और वो 5 साल की उम्र से ही उन्होंने अपने पिता से संगीत की शिक्षा प्राप्त की। और उन्हें संगीत का इतना शौक था कि वो अपने पिता के
Draw and shade the pot with pencil and draw and color rangoli design. Now I will explain how to make this pot. First of all, students, you can start with circle and then you fill with shade. Like
today's thought is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. जीवन मूल्य हमें हिंसा त्याग कर सद्भाव तथा प्रेम से रहना चाहिए। इसी पर आधारित आज का हमारा अध्याय है, अध्याय 4, जो हिंदी साहित्य की पुस्तक में पाया जाता है। कृतज्ञ विनोबा भावे, जिनका जन्म 11 सितंबर 1896 में।
Now we will start with short forms. Our first form is CA. Its full form is Chartered Accountant. Second is PAN, PAN. The full form of this word is Permanent Account Number. And CID, Criminal Investigation Department. And BJP,